I don't have data now.
There's the sky tag though.
I couldn't get onto the my 3G.
So we have
connect to
the master versus the apprentice.
Let's see if this guy tries.
Yeah, I see that though. Like the up air thing.
It's going to be a real projectile-heavy match, I'm presuming. Yeah, I figured it out. I have it on my computer, but there's just like some things that I don't really get, but I know how to change the names now and stuff.
Yeah,
so that's perfect.
Augustin showed us,
Yeah.
so he deserves kudos.
Kudos to the TOs.
Worst TO! Worst TO ever!
Don't say that. That's not good. Esports.
Right now, the youngling is
Yeah.
We're all athletes.
You know who SOS is.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's
We're all athletes.
no, it's still SAUS, isn't it? So
No, it's not. The young link's there.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Data, turn
So
on.
who's the young link's guy?
Data, turn on, please.
Yeah, apparently Toronto's coming down here next monthly though, so that'll be pretty hype.
T.O. Joe?
Montreal and Toronto, not Ottawa.
Yeah, well, not Ottawa. Ottawa will be very sad.
Pardon?
In this section, can you add arsenic?
Wait, what? They like...
Put like, yeah,
Oh.
put slash arsenal.
Yeah, just put slash arsenic.
Okay. Oh, sorry about that. On player 2?
So wait, Mango's actually retweeted you twice?
Put it in player 1,
Oh, okay.
but just put like sky slash arsenic.
I'm in land, but they're full.
Nice.
I'll go see what went weird.
How do you spell that?
Hey Nick, didn't you take a stock off SAUS?
Like 2 each game.
2 each game?
Oh, I can't... Did I do that right?
Don't be at the end.
Here.
Oh, and there's a D after the S.
I can't see it, it's really small. There, I think that's good.
So wait, Mango's retweeted you twice.
Yeah, I was at a bar on my birthday, and we had like just a shit ton of shots on my table. And then my friend's like, "Yo, we gotta like tweet this out," or like shots for Mango, you know, because like that's just like a thing. And then he like retweeted us after, and we was like, "Oh shit!" We started going all crazy. And I was with a bunch of my friends that don't play Smash, and they're just like what? It's like, you guys don't know Mango, oh, shit. It was pretty fun. And then another time we got really drunk and we were like recorded a bunch of our matches in his basement, and my friend just like passed out while playing a game. It was pretty good. I took a picture of him just like asleep with a GameCube controller in his hand.
So wait, who do you play? You play Dr. Mario?
Puff, Kappa Falcon, Dr. Mario. I'm trying to just like play Puff, but it depends on the matchup always.
I played Puff, and my friend who uses F Smash exclusively as Marth
Okay.
completely discouraged me.
Yeah, exactly. You can't do much because this Puff, it's like a glass cannon. She just dies.
And he's good at landing tippers too.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So
Spacing. Marth's got a lot of spacing.
like the guy who just left,
Can't connect.
Yeah.
he also quit his main because my friend did that to him too.
Just like
Just F Smash over and over and over again.
we got the teammates playing against each other. I'm pretty sure Marth is Arsenic. Which-
Probably,
Yeah.
considering that the link has the sauce tag.
Yeah, considering. And that was a pretty sick combo.
Ken combo.
The Ken combo, yeah. That's Marth's most...
Signature move.
Yeah, signature move. Not a signature move, but it's pretty well
It was his
known.
former signature move during
Yeah.
the days of Ken.
It's used a lot still. See, I can barely see the Marth because of Battlefield right now, because of the angle of the computer. Oh, denied.
Shit,
That was a
'cause I
clean.
had a
That
whole
was a,
stock
that was a
match
clean.
in.
That was a clean stock right there.
That was good.
See, Swordmaster against Swordmaster.
I played against Arsenic and Pool this last month.
Oh yeah, he's
And,
pretty good. They're all
What happened was like I realized I would not win after the first game, and so I said, "Go, can we go to Poke Floats?"
Yeah.
And we went to Poke Floats, and I played Red Mr. Game and won.
That's
And
pretty.
all I used was I either grabbed them and then did a single hit with the bell,
Yeah.
and then let them go, or I just randomly did the pancakes or the sausage or whatever.
You gotta the worth.
Yeah, that was good though. He denied the tether.
Yeah, see, Battlefield's a real hard stage for Link to tether on because it's got a really
Oh, yeah.
small area of platform and the edges on Battlefield are messed
It's
up.
also impossible for like Spaceys to sweet spot easily. So.
Yeah, exactly. They gotta fix Battlefield.
They gotta patch it. Along with sauces. Yeah, I'm commentating.
This game just looks like they're an autopilot. You just see them, they're talking, they're chatting it up, just like casually. Oh, I killed you, cool. I'm just gonna do some wave dashes now and practicing. Check. Oh, okay. Well, I think that's game. Yeah. I'm gonna go play some friendlies. See
Alright.
Yo, let me hop
you
on.
later, man.
Let me hop on some commentary, dude.